I am mariahnicolexbeauty, and this is the power of makeup. I decided to film this as my first video because it felt like a perfect way to bring together getting to know me and playing with makeup. The power of makeup was one of the biggest challenges of 2017. Though the popularity of the challenge has diminished today, the meaning behind it is an important one. It's all about self-love, confidence, and art. The first time I wore makeup was in the 6th grade. I was in a summer camp and a volunteer offered to do my makeup for a film, a small little movie that we were making, and I said yes. She gave me a black winged liner. At the time, I thought it was the most beautiful thing I've ever seen, but now looking back, it kind of looked like a box at the ends of my eye. Nonetheless, it got me started on loving makeup and being inspired by it. It started my whole journey basically of watching YouTube videos and being inspired by other artists and encouraged to try new and exciting makeup looks. And that's why I'm here today. My most favorite products to work with are glitter. Glitter is my absolute weakness. I love playing with glitters. I think the most transformative thing is concealer. I feel like concealer and brows, and I could go anywhere and do anything. It's the thing that most brightens your face and just makes you feel more awake. It's the most transformative, I think, when you're putting on makeup. The first makeup product I think that I ever bought was a L'Oreal blue shadow. Blue and purple, those were for whatever reasons, the two colors that I seem to go towards for eyeshadow. Now of course, they're tons of fun to play with, but as a starter everyday shadow, I don't think those would be the ones that I would go with, but I remember that they were just, I was so enthusiastic about buying them, and those were the first makeup products I ever bought. It's just great to try new eyeshadow palettes and get to try new things, and that's what I think is so fun about makeup. It's something that's just exciting. It's like painting or doing art, and it's on your face. So it's an incredible thing to get the chance to do. I love the fact that over time I see the journey that it's taken me, the changes that I've made, the improvements I've made on my ability to do makeup. And I think that's just a wonderful experience to get to see how you've improved and changed. In the future, I hope to make tutorials, challenges, so many more things that will show my creative side and just challenge me as an artist to do new and exciting things here on YouTube.